My Birkin just came in the mail. My newest little baby boy Birkin just came in the mail. So it's time for another dose of unboxing. An Hermes Birkin unboxing. Birkin unboxing! I don't even know how it fits in here. Look at how tiny this box is. It's strikingly, it's very deceptive. But if you see the size of the box, you probably know what size it is. That's why I'm really excited. I know I unboxed a lot of bags. But this one is probably one of the ones. So this is, take this with some gravitas or some, weight. This is probably one of the most exciting ones that I've been looking forward to unbox. I'm really excited because it's also super rare. So if you want to see what it is and we'll talk about it, stay tuned. So let's unbox it. Obviously it came in the mail, and I rented it. It's a rental from Luxe Du Jour, so I've been telling you guys about that company. So if you want, I have a discount code and for renting and a discount code for buying if you're interested, which I'll tell you later in the video, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, Hermes lover, and today we're doing a quick Hermes Birkin unboxing of my newest little munchkin that I rented, and I am so excited to unbox and show you guys, okay? And it's a super rare one. Yeah, not like very rare, just like there's one aspect about it that makes it really rare. Otherwise, it is kind of a standard bag, but we'll get to that in a sec. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. So as you guys know, I've been renting bags for a little bit now, and I can do a whole other video on it, but I've talked about it a few times. It's something I really, really like because you can buy a bag, you can use a bag for a couple weeks at a fraction of the cost and not have to have bought a new expensive bag to your collection. Use it and then get to a couple events and then be done with it and like experience the bag, show it off, whatever you want to do, blah, blah, blah. Especially if you want to try a different style or shape or color or leather or whatever it is, but you don't want to add that actual bag to your collection and pay full price for it. It's a great way to experience a bag. And I think it's cool and I can use it for different things. And it's like a great way to not be as precious with it as well and not wait, because this bag for me to get from the store will take time, a lot of time, unless I buy it secondhand for 2-3 times the price of the store, where instead I can just rent it for a fraction of the cost and use it for a little bit. And then that itch is filled, that urge is done. Anyway, I'll do a separate video on that, but let's get to it, okay? So I'm gonna unbox it first and then talk tick, and then we'll come back. I'll give you a hint. I mean, you guys can tell. The box is a certain size. I'll give you a hint. What makes it rare is the hardware. And the hardware is something I've been lusting after for a long time. The bag that I got scammed out of had this hardware. That's why I was kind of going a little crazy for it. I didn't get it. Anyway, are you guys excited? I can't wait. It's so tiny. I forgot how tiny these are. Oh, you ready? Like I said, I rented it from Luxe Du Jour. I'm very, very excited. Very, very happy with them. Here, wait for it. Okay, it is a Birkin 25 in noir with rose gold hardware. And like I said, if you know me, I have been lusting after rose gold hardware for as long as I can remember. It's much more pink than my other rose gold hardwares. It is so hard to come by, and they don't make it as much anymore. You can get it on certain special orders, but not on many Kellys, which is what I've gotten. And it's like, it's new, but it's a little worn in, so it's not as like precious, and it's like got that soft squishiness. And all the plastic is still on though. I probably have to be a little extra careful. I can't be as flimsy with this because the plastic's still on here too. I wonder, I should ask them about that because obviously I don't want to get in trouble. Otherwise I have to buy it. Maybe I'll just buy it. No, I don't want to buy it out. I mean, maybe I will. No, I won't. Maybe I will. Who knows? I mean, this is like a really hard bag to get. It's very rare and I'm obsessed and I'm so excited. And I can't wait to start using it. What do you guys think? I love it. I'm gonna rent it for a couple of weeks. I'm gonna take it to Europe. I'm going back to Paris in a couple of weeks. So I might take this with me. I'll have to extend the rental, but I might do it. I mean, I just got back and I was just there the month before. I gotta stop going. I'm going too much. But I wanna get another trip in before maybe we run out of jet fuel and can never go there again. Or I go there and I end up getting stranded over there, right? That wouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Would it? No, it wouldn't. Anyway, I can't wait. It's so cute. Also, okay, so if you want to rent this after me, you can, or you can buy it if I don't. My rental code for you guys, if you want to use it, is MAYANK20 for 20% off rental, and my buying code is just MAYANK. Go check Luxe Du Jour out. They have a bunch of stuff. They have a showroom in Irvine. They're amazing. The staff is so nice and so friendly. So many bags. They can help you find whatever bag you want, and their pricing is really competitive and pretty good. I think lower than a lot of the other places, so you can get a pretty good deal. And you get a little discount from me. So go check them out. Let me know if you get something like that from in the comments below. I would love for you guys to get something. Also, let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Does anybody else have a bag with rose gold hardware? I feel like I know you. Oh my God, what's your name? Tara? Shoot, I'm so sorry. Kara? I met you in Paris. You're from New York, cop. Husband's Indian, he's also a cop. We met in Paris. You got a Birkin 25 with rose gold hardware. I want to say it was also black or it was gray from the Madison store. Do you love your bag? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like you said you love your bag. Sorry, I didn't remember your name. We talked for a while outside the Faubourg store. You told me you love my acting and I should get back into acting. And we talked about a lot of things. Anyway, I digress. That was just for you. Okay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm so stoked to use this. It's rental, like I said, great company. And you'll be seeing this bag all over my page for the next couple of weeks as I trot it around. Take it around Europe too. Okay, that's all I got. Hope that was fun. Rent one if you want. It's a great service. Like I said, it's a great way to try and test out any bag. Rent one. Like I said, it's a great way to test out a bag, especially a different style that you don't have or a different color or a different leather, just to see if you like it, if it fits your lifestyle, if you like the way it wears, things like that, before you buy. Before you buy, you should try. Try it before you buy it. That should be their logo. Okay, anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Berkey, baby. Okay, bye.